Thank you very much for downloading of the app, Voice Input Assist. Now I would like to explain how to use it through a video. This is the first screen to appear when you open the app. In the first moment there is no keyboard. If you tap the yellow portion at the upper part of the screen, a keyboard will appear. You can select your favorite keyboard by tapping a globe mark button or other buttons located at the very bottom of the screen. Then, please tap a button with a microphone mark below it. Then you can input characters by your voice. Now, you can recognize on the screen some sentences that I spoke. This is the voice input function. This function is not perfect, thus some corrections will be required. Please use various buttons on the middle side of the screen. You can move the cursor by using 6 buttons. You can select characters by using 3 buttons. You can also delete characters. Cut, copy and paste functions can be performed by 3 buttons. You may send a mail by this button. You can jump to Memo, Line and Google by using these buttons. I show an example to search using Google. Hi, hello, what is an apple ? Let us delete these sentences by using these buttons. Then, please tap this Google button. You can find a page about apples on the same way. You can send a mail by tapping this mail button. You may get the mail sending page automatic. You can send this mail by adding an address and a subject. Mark button will pick up 6 tables for these punctuation and characters to be pronounced. If you wish to know how to use this app, please tap a button here. When you finish all editing and wish to create a new draft, please tap this Finish and New button. You can go to a new initial screen by tapping this X mark button. By this tag button on the right hand side, you will jump to a table where there are 8 cells for video explanations and text explanations. For instance, if you tap this number 3 cell, you will jump to a page to explain about this app by text. If you tap this bottom cell, you will go to a page where various QR codes are shown. Please tell your friends this app by using these QR codes. You may see banner advertisements on each screen. You can download a paid app without advertisement.